And still out west, a St. James family is in mourning this evening after their 6-month-old relative died in a fire. The incident happened sometime after 1 on Tuesday.
Tragedy in Guineptree, Montpelier, St. James. This mother of 6 lost her 6-month-old child in a deadly early morning fire. The deceased has been identified as Naima Graham. She was home with her father and 4 of her siblings when the fire started.
My father was there with the other kids. He said he threw them through the window. And by the time he reached to the baby, he couldn't touch the baby. And then just that it just rough.
The 3-bedroom board house they lived in also destroyed. One of the children, a 17-year-old male, is currently in hospital. He received burns to his body. The children's mother was not at home at the time of the incident. TVJ News understands she's been spending the night at hospital with one of her sons who is diabetic.
She has to stay up there with the son. Because every time the sugar come down, it go up. Every time the sugar come down, it go up. So she has to stay up there with him.
2 fire units from the Barnett Street Fire Station responded to the fire. Getting to the location was, however, challenging because of the hilly terrain. By the time the firefighters arrived, the board structure was already up in flames. The 6-month-old's remains were discovered during cooling down operations. Residents are in disbelief.
I'm a babysitter in the neighborhood. I have the baby yesterday, that the young baby was dying yesterday, and the baby up there, and him play around, me feed him, me give him water, we change him, we have already did something to drop asleep, and then the daddy come to 8 o'clock, come for the baby, and me pass out the bag them first, and me say, you go, okay, I manage with the bag, and the baby go up the hill, and he say, in good, and that's it, me go on my bed, me get a call, say the baby, so the house on fire.
The cause of the fire is being investigated.